Hi there, world. This is my 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S with the SuperStreet non-cat version exhaust system. Did a video on this a week or so ago, and someone had asked what it sounds like with the DB killer in versus the DB killer out. So on this video here, I'm going to do some sound clips of just that. I'm going to start with a startup comparison with it in, with it out, and I've gone up and down the road a couple of times also with it in and with it out. This is for that. It came in today, but that's another video soon. Okay, to pull this baffle out it's the easiest one that I've ever done, actually. It's just a matter of twisting these screws out here. You can see the baffle is this piece right here. Well, you guys are right, this one-handed thing is kind of a pain. And then the cap just comes off, just like that. And you can see that the DB killer is just a small pipe, and it has this flange welded around it that's tight. And you just pull it out is all. It's just real easy, it comes out. But the diameter of that pipe is smaller than the diameter of the muffler. And that exhaust air that comes and gets kind of stuck in here, and it just seems like a bottleneck situation. What should mean some back pressure. It should mean that there should be quite a noticeable difference, what it seems like. But I rode this thing around for a couple of days with it in, and I couldn't really notice a difference. It's a lot quieter, that's for sure. DB killer in, more torque, a little less horsepower. DB killer out, more horsepower, a little less torque. But in all honesty, I couldn't notice a difference. It's negligible. So it just comes down to, what do you want? If you want a quieter pipe, it is effective. It's definitely a lot quieter. And if your neighbors hate you and you care about that, then you could maybe make a little peace by having this in there, I suppose. It has a different sound, a little bit different note. I personally like the way it sounds better without it. So I've decided that I'm just going to run around without that thing in there and enjoy it the way it is. Now we're going to go back together. Look at that. Oh shit, wasn't even filming it. Fuck. And then you just put the cap back on. Just tighten the screws up, and that's about it. Let's go ride it.